Let's boogie. I'm thirsty for waves.
My job needs me.
I'm not gonna have two people die on me today.
Thanks, Life Gardener. Without you, I'd be dead.
If you guys can't handle the surf, then stay on the turf.
What are you, telling me the lunch specials?
You know, I could actually go for a steamy flapper myself.
Oh, had one last night. I was steaming out of all sorts of places.
It's a real risk. When you order one, you gotta know the chef.
You kidding? You gotta know the chef's mother.
You gotta do all the family history research that you can.
And that website now has it for $8 a month.
But as long as you don't put it on a debit card, you'll never accidentally go over your minimum balance.
Trust me, I've learned all my lessons from online banking. Which reminds me of a story. One time I...
Okay, just stay out of the water and try not to talk to anyone. Jeez.
Well, if we can't go in the water...
Let's get crispy.
Yo, how's my tan look? Oh, perfect. Hey, let's get out of here before we turn into a couple of cancer patients. I think the car's broken.
Let's take the bike.
There it is.